I'm Cameron Raby. I teach the Intrapreneurship planning class for students getting ready to run their operation in the innovation kitchen. So in my class, they're coming together as one team. They need to put together a business plan. They need to design a logo. They need to design marketing activities. So they don't really know anything about their opening menu or food costs or anything like that. We can't do any of the budgeting things until the end of the term. But what they can do is start out with marketing, and that involves logo design, their tagline, any kind of branding that they're going to do. The logo design process is very intense and time-consuming.
So our logo process took well over 7 weeks to do. As you can see on the left, it was our original logo pitch in the beginning. In the center was what we came up with before we actually knew what our identity was.
The value of the logo is a visual representation of their brand. And it also gets used on any marketing materials that are displayed related to the concept. But things like caps, their caps that have the embroidered logo, take a long time. And their space in the Innovation Kitchen is one of the first things that students and visitors see when they walk into the egg.
This is our final logo, quinoa, unconventionally bold. Our KW is for smaller icons such as Instagram, pens, pins, stickers, and everything else.
I think this concentration provides them a tremendous opportunity and tremendous experience within the supportive environment of a school setting. Again, they are hands-on in every aspect of that operation, from labor and staffing to the finances, to the food, to all of those things. They really get to see hands-on, this is what it's like to run a farm.